Cache Giraffe not opening on Android 15 is usually worth troubleshooting through the app, network, cache, update, and device settings before reinstalling it. By the end, you'll know the exact Android 15 checks to run and what to do if Cache Giraffe still closes immediately or stays stuck on the launch screen. Start by force closing Cache Giraffe. Open Android settings. Select apps. Find Cache Giraffe. Choose force stop, then launch the app again. This clears the current app process without removing your account. Next, restart your Android phone. A full restart can clear a temporary system process that is preventing Cache Giraffe from starting correctly. Then check the Google Play Store for an available Cache Giraffe update. Open the Play Store, search for Cache Giraffe, and install the latest available version. An app that has not been updated for your current Android environment can have compatibility problems. Check for an Android system update as well. Open Settings and look under System or Software Update depending on your phone. If an update is available, install it, and restart the device. If Cache Giraffe still will not open, clear its cache. Go to Settings, Apps, Cache Giraffe, Storage or Storage and Cache, then select Clear Cache. Cached files can become corrupted after an app or operating system update, and clearing them does not use the same option as deleting the app's stored data. Do not select Clear Data unless you understand the consequences and know how you will sign back into Cache Giraffe. Clearing stored app data is different from clearing temporary cache files. Next, check your phone's available storage. If Android is running extremely low on free space, apps can have trouble creating temporary files or completing updates. Remove unnecessary files or apps if needed, then restart Cache Giraffe. Test your internet connection too. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data, and try opening the app again. If Cache Giraffe opens on one connection but not the other, the network may be part of the problem. If you use a VPN, private DNS, firewall or network filtering app, temporarily disable it and test Cache Giraffe again. If the app still will not open, check whether other apps are also crashing. If several apps are affected after an Android update, the problem may be broader than Cache Giraffe. Before reinstalling, make sure you know the login details for your Cache Giraffe account. If you reinstall the app, you should be prepared to sign back into the same account rather than accidentally creating another one. If none of these steps works, contact Cache Giraffe support and provide your Android version, phone model, Cache Giraffe app version, and a description of what happens when you tap the app. The best order is force stop, restart the phone, update Cache Giraffe, check Android updates, clear the cache, check storage, test the connection, and only then consider reinstalling. Your next step is to force stop Cache Giraffe and reopen it before changing anything else. If this fixed the Android 15 issue, like the video and subscribe for more Cache Giraffe troubleshooting guides.